Are you looking to purchase health insurance but you're thinking, oh my God, what is this going to cost me, right? And so in today's video, I'm going to go over, I'm going to break down health insurance, how to understand your health insurance cost. So you'll know how much you will be paying out of pocket and how much the insurance will be paying out of pocket. So my name is Katrice-The. I am a licensed health insurance broker, and I'm licensed in 19 states. And I am the founder of INSURE Black America, where my mission is to close the coverage gap in healthcare between Black Americans and other racial groups. Okay, and so we're talking about today terms that you need to know to help you understand what you will be paying when it comes to your health insurance and what your insurance company will be paying. So the co-pay, the co-insurance, deductible, the MOOP, and the premium. Those are 5 terms that you need to understand, okay? And so the premium, pretty much everybody knows what the premium is. The premium is what you pay every month. Okay, so that's the amount you pay every month to have the health insurance coverage. Okay, now that premium covers the things like your preventative screenings, your immunizations, your wellness visits, anything that's preventative, that's what your premium covers. Okay. Now the deductible is how much you have to pay before the plan kicks in. Now, if you're looking for, when you're looking at a plan, a lot of times a common deductible you'll see will be about $6,000, okay? And so that's how much you will be paying up front before the plan will start to kick in on certain services. Now, some services, like your primary care visits or your specialist visits, depending on your plan, those don't have to go against the deductible. And that brings us to our next term, which is the copay. Okay, copays are a set amount you pay for certain services. Okay, so like when you go to see your primary care, or if you're seeing a specialist, a lot of times when you go to the urgent care or the ER, you pay a copay. So it's a set amount that you pay, and then the plan, the insurance company will pay the rest. Okay. Now, things like surgeries, or what is it? It's on the tip of my tongue too. Like physical therapy and things like that. You have to meet the deductible first, and then the copay will kick. Then the copay will kick in. And so you have to meet your deductible first, and then once you meet your deductible, that brings us to our next term, which is the co-insurance. Now, the co-insurance is after you meet the deductible. And then that is the percentage that you pay for those services, and then the plan pays everything else. Okay, so you may save for your excuse me. You may save for your say your physical therapy. Your plan might say you pay a 20% co-insurance after the deductible. So if your deductible is $6,000, you would meet the $6,000. So that's $6,000 that you have to pay out of pocket first, and then you only pay 20% for that service. Okay, but before you meet your deductible, you pay the full cost until the deductible is met. And then the last term is the MOOP, and that stands for the maximum out of pocket. So the deductible is what you have to meet before the plan will pay anything, unless it's a service that has a copay. The MOOP is the maximum amount of money you will pay out of pocket for the year. So if your maximum out of pocket is, say, $8,500 and your deductible is $6,000, excuse me, you pay $6,000 first, then the plan will start to pay. And then you continue to pay your co-insurances until you reach 8,500 or 8,000, whatever I just said. And then once you reach that, then the plan will kick in, and the plan pays 100% of everything, and you don't pay anything. Okay, and so when it comes to health insurance, it's not just how much am I paying a month. You also need to understand these 5 terms: the MOOP, which is the maximum out of pocket; the co-insurance, which is the percentage that you pay after you have met your deductible; the copay, that's just a flat rate that you pay for certain services; the deductible is the amount that you must pay before the plan will kick in and pay; and then the monthly premium, which is the amount that you pay every month to have the insurance. Okay, and so I hope you guys found value in today's video. If you did, please like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe, hit the little bell notification so that you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And also share this out on your social medias, because my goal, and I'm asking you for help in this, is for us to close the coverage gap in healthcare for Black America. And so we can do that by sharing information so that we are all informed, so that we are all on the same page, and so that we know how health insurance works, because it is vitally important, especially in today's climate. It's vitally important to have. And so if you guys have any topics that you want me to shoot a video on, you can just leave those down in the comments, and I will definitely be more than happy to shoot a video on that. So you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and together we can close the coverage gap in healthcare.